Okay, I testing this parking mode. It will record emergency video on my dash cam. 70Mai A800s model. Okay, now I'm outside of the car, in front of mirror. So I'm knocking already. Okay, finally, I'm knocking until the light is on. Underneath the dash cam, you can see there's a green light there. The setting is low sensitivity. Okay. This light initiate, I believe, is it start to recording emergency video due to the collisions that I create. Okay. Later on, I will on the car and see that it will give me any notice or not that I have an emergency video while I'm in parking mode. Now I leave the car around 30 minutes, so I come back to the car now. I see it got any notice from the camera while I on the car now. Okay.
There is a new parking surveillance video. Please open the gallery to view it.
Okay. Then we notice this notice. It says got parking surveillance video. I think that's quite clear. Okay, confirm bro.